I'm creating the first tutorial about learning Android, like how you can develop Android apps, games using Android Studio. So in the first tutorial, we are going to discuss about the introduction of Android Studio and how it works. We or USB-C cable, and we can test the Android apps on our mobile phone directly, or we can use an emulator for that. I'm going to use emulator for it for right now. Simply you can open the Android Studio and it will show create a new project, and you can simply create a new Android project. I'm going to create the empty activity. It offers a lot of different themes like pre-built templates. We have bottom navigation, master navigation, drawer activity. For this tutorial we are going to select the empty activity. I'm going to name it learning Android. You can change it later, doesn't matter at all. Actually package name is the unique identity of your project, which you can identify on Google Play Store. Android 7, your app will not work on the OS which is less than the 7.0. And and similarly, if you select 4.4, which I'm going to do, so your app will work up to the 4.4 KitKat devices. As I have opened the emulator already, so we can I'll try to keep it precise, simple, and make it easy to learn. Directories, let it build first. It's You can see it's building right there. We have different options, updates. I would recommend whenever you're working on the Android project, just don't update the Android Studio, because due to old libraries which are already you have used in the project, when you update the Android Studio, the libraries will also be updated. And in this way, most of the libraries will, if you are using a lot of libraries and they have published the updates of prior libraries, then your current libraries will get depreciated. This means that your code will not work and will create a lot of bugs and errors. So I would recommend not to update the project when you're working on it. If you are advanced or expert, just do the update. It will make your project optimized and just make it more efficient. Here's the build.gradle file. Here we have class path and other declarations like Google, JCenter, different kind of requirements we will declare there. Here's where you declare the compile SDK variants, minimize SDK variants. Variant code is like whenever you publish your app on Play Store, it just differentiate from your last uh, APK published on the Android on the Play Store. Like if you have variant code 1 which is published, if you name it 1 again, then it will not work on the Play Store. They will say you have to increase the variant code so it will work on the Play Store. Here's we declare all the libraries we want to include in our project. And here we have res folder directory. We have drawable files, layouts, map and drawable is map contains our icons. We have also have assets actually, and the asset we use for the audio files and related to such things like videos, etc. Drawable contains our icons, and values contains strings, files, colors, styles. Activity main XML is the main thing where we do all of the designing stuff, and the back end is will be written in the main activity Java. Activity main, for example, we create the button here, then its back end functionality, like what will happen when we click on the button, will be done in the main activity Java. Actually it's a back end for the design file. We design here, we do back end in Java. We have manifest file, we declare the permissions here on top, and we have app icon, name, app name, and all of the things. Intent filter, like intent filter defines like which is our main activity. For example, if you have 10 activities, then we copy paste these intent filter in that activity. Then whenever you launch the app, that activity will run on the phone.